Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now you guys, we all know that the trailer for the latest season of Uthando Nesthembu has been out. Now there's a scene guys that we see a snippet of it which I think is very interesting, is where we see Ingathu Matsele and uAbongwe went to the beach and it looks like they are going to pray. And they're playing that scene around the time where Umusa Mseleku has been admitted in the hospital. We see Wabongo guys praying there and she's like, no sickness will take any of my family members. Next thing we see Matsele ekhala laphayana, but we know Matsele guys in previous seasons uthi yena mekatandaza or when she gets, I don't know, in the previous season when her heart, I guess, is really linked into the prayer that she's doing, uyakhala, ahaize, and does all of those things. But I think that was really commendable in a sense of uAbongwe standing in the gap for her father, you guys. Like at some point, you guys, we have mothers, auntie, we grew up with those figures in our families that we knew Uti, no matter what we do, no matter where we are, they are standing in the gap praying for us. But at some point in life, guys, you've got to take up the battle on your own and do the things that need to be done. And I feel like uAbongwe was doing just that. It was very interesting to see. Now I do follow uAbongwe on Instagram and I do see what she does go to church sometimes, but you can see what this is a person, like this is a person that kind of has like an existing prayer life in a sense. So to see that was not kind of far-fetched, or to see that scene was not kind of far-fetched, but it just makes me think ukuthi ayibo guys, like ezinye izinto kuyadlalwa kumnandi, hey kodwa nithandaza nini. And I was just like, I can't wait to watch that scene, because her just declaring which no sickness will take any of my family members. I mean, sometimes umawakiyakatala guys, sometimes the people who stand in the gap for us bayakatala. So sometimes nati we need ukuthi sizmele and stand for our family. Just imagine now uAbongwe where she's at. Ubaba wakhe upholile uright manje. She must be, maybe ukhuthazekile guys ukuthi umthandazo wakho usebenzile or something like that, which I think is beautiful guys. In a big family like that, there needs to be something that's sustaining you, because if you don't have that, hi guys, you're gonna go mad. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.